So welcome everyone. It's the 31st of October and it's just 8 a.m. So we are going to start trading. I'm looking at Euro JPY to start with. That's moved balls. It has moved. Just see if it comes down a bit. Okay, I'm going to go. Damn, no, we're too late. I don't like entering when it's already moved quite a bit, and it moved from here to here, so. That would be for a call. You always go in the direction of the arrow, which is, in this case, going upwards. But I'm not, okay, if you're in, Dan, okay, but you see the way it's come back down a bit. That's why I stalled. Yeah, chances are you may lose this. Now, we could go for another entry. We'll just see what if it comes down a tiny bit more to that resistance. Okay, get ready to go in for a call to Euro JPY. And enter. That was a bit slow. It needs to come up above the 50 line. So hopping in and out of the money at the moment while it decides what it wants to do. Oh, just out of the money. That's a shame, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to go back in though. Oh, I tied. Okay, while we wait for that to make up its mind, we have USD-CHF for a put. USD-CHF for a put. And enter. And you also have Euro-USD. Euro-USD. If you want to take it, don't take it if you find it confusing. For a call, Euro-USD for a call. Enter. Okay, that's second entry on Euro JPY. Doesn't look good, so I'm actually going to leave that. We'll try and recover that on another signal. USD-CHF, I'm going to have to go back into, I think, and enter. Euro-USD the same. Euro-USD for second entry, call. And enter. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. This is just not working out for us again, is it? Okay, Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY for a call. Third entry. enter. CHF, third entry, enter. And Euro USD. Get ready to go back into. Enter, third entry. Euro JPY was a winner. Guys, I'm sorry, but you know, if you're not able to work out whether it's a put or a call based on what we originally did, I mean, look, your actual platform should tell you what you had done before. And if you're not sure, then please wait. Now, I appreciate that some of you are actually new to this. And that's why I insist on you trading demo, because you are going to make these mistakes where you're not sure what you're doing. I show you the screen so you can see what direction the arrow is. Now, unless I specifically say it's in the opposite direction, then you go in the direction of the arrow, okay? Which in this case was down, or in this case was up, or for a call. Yeah. Sorry if I'm sounding a bit annoyed, but it's just that if you can't follow, then you need to go really slowly and do not take multiple trades if you find it too difficult to follow what's happening. And all you do is either look at the screen here or check what your past trades were, and you'll see. Sorry, Lewis. Pity you missed that trade. To be honest, if you're going to be serious about trading, you need to have two screens. Okay, I operate with two screens. One has my charts and only my charts, and the other has my money management system minimized, so I just see the information I need. So let me see if I can grab it and pull it over so you can see. So that's the size of my money management system. So purely all I need to see, okay? And the other is obviously my trading, which I've minimized to 66%. Okay, what have we there? Okay, we have Euro JPY again, Euro JPY for a put, Euro JPY for a put, enter. So I have this minimized to 66%. And the reason for that is I actually have to move far less than I would otherwise have to with a full size screen. This is going to tease us the whole way. In the money. Out of the money. Oh. Okay, I'm going back in. That was frustrating. We have Euro USD also for a possible put. Euro USD for a possible put. Just get it ready. Enter. Just going for the 61.8. It may go and try and touch that and then come back down. Our second entry on Euro JPY is going well. Okay, UJ guys, UJ for call, UJ for call. Enter. Come on, Euro USD. It's just teasing us. Again, only just out of the money. And enter for second entry for a put. Oh, no, it wants to go higher, as does UJ want to go lower. So get ready with UJ for a second entry. UJ for a second entry, get ready. And enter. Okay, gonna have to go back into Euro USD, third entry, enter. Ugh. And UJ, I have to go back into for third entry, call, enter. Euro USD is not looking good, guys. I'm sorry. Just out of the money. Can go if you wish. Oh, that was a third entry loss. And it looks like QJ will be as well. So then we stop. Oh dear. We were doing so well. Taking 4 nice winners. Yeah. Okay, Euro USD for put. It's moved too far if you haven't entered. I'm going to try and get us the 6 at least, guys, so that we don't have too much to do to recover. If your account is big enough, you can take a 4th entry. But only if it's, for example, it would need to be in and around the 3,000, I would imagine. Okay, I'm looking at Euro GBP for a call. Euro GBP for a call. Enter. Now, if you've taken 4th level entries, you should be able to recover with these 2. And that's a winner. Lewis, that is, yeah, that is, yeah. I'm sorry. It's crappy. It really is. But you can recover. Okay, CHF, guys. CHF. CHF for possible put. Enter. It's right on the verge. Hopefully it'll come back down. No, it wants to go up. Okay, it's coming up to the SHI. We'll just wait. And get ready for a second entry. Enter. Euro JPY. Oh, it's moved. It's moved. Oh, oh, talk about bad luck. Okay, I'm going to have to go in for a third entry. Enter. That was horrendously bad luck there. Okay. I lost that by one pipette. One pipette. Yeah. Okay, Euro USD, guys. Euro USD for a possible call. Enter. Okay, I'm going to stop here because I've just taken another 3 in a row loss and I can't take that. My apologies. Come on, Euro USD, up you go. That's it. Okay, excellent. Winner. I've actually not done badly, guys, because I was able to recover on those 4 with fourth entries, but I'm for the rest of you who haven't, I'm feeling incredibly bad. Those were not good trades. It's a very difficult one to say when you should leave the market or not. I think we will stop now because it's having to go fourth level is not good at all, and we shouldn't have to. That's my result at the moment, but that's because I had to take 3, 4, fourth level entries to recover. Yeah, that's fine. Gabor, I would agree. You know, that going 3 deep is especially if you've got a small account, is as much as you should go. I'm afraid, guys, this is sort of one of our down dips. Okay, if you want to take another trade, we'll take one more just so that I can show that we've got 6 winners, which will help us to recover at least partially. But it's up to you. You don't have to. I'm going to take Euro USD for a put. Euro USD for a put, enter. Gabor, yes, it is actually very profitable if you go 3 deep. If you don't go 3 deep, then it's not going to be profitable. I can assure you of that. We've done this enough to prove it. And the reason is, with going 3 deep, now look, the last 2 days have been really exceptional. And it's not been fun at all. And we've taken losses where we normally don't. And we've had some really bad luck, like losing out by 1 pipette and that sort of thing. But, you know, some of you are here very new, you're only in a week or less, so you haven't had the experience to be able to see. But if I just go, let me see, if I just go and call up some of our past results, let's look at the month to date. Should you go 4 deep? Only if your account is greater than, say, 2,000. If you're only on a minimum €1,000 account, then it's too dangerous. You're going to blow your account. You need to have that extra power, because you see, once you go below the 1,000, you're increasing your risk level, and more than the 1% on an initial entry, and you don't want to be doing that. Just give me a couple of seconds while I scroll back. To the beginning of the month. For those of you who are new also, you may not be aware, we have our Skype group, sorry, our Facebook group. And there I post all of our results every day. It's binary options networking, or look for bond signals in groups. Now, on the 2nd of October, guys, this account was at 15,508, okay? Just let that sink in for a second. 15,508, and it's now just under 50,000. It is at 50,000, pardon me. Okay. So it's tripled in the month. Now, again, just let that sink in. If you're talking about, well, it's actually what we tend to do, you know, on a regular basis. September was, well, probably, yeah, but with that size account, that's not difficult. I mean, this session alone, I'm up 3,000. I think. Let me just double check. Yeah, I'm up 3,600, you see. So as your account grows, and this is the power of compounding, which most people cannot grasp properly. But as you, I mean, it goes in two ways, but as your account grows, so does your entry point, so does your profit. As your account reduces, as you go into negative territory, so does your losses compound. But let me just say one thing again. Do not panic, those of you who have taken losses, okay? Do not panic, because that's where I was on the 2nd, okay? And this is where I am today. You always trade at 1% of your account. So with ETX, the minimum trade size is 10. So if you're at 1,000, it's 10. If you're at 1,500, it's 15. If you're at 2,000, it's 20. Now, at the beginning of this session, I was trading at 463, I think it was. Yeah, 463. Okay. And then we took those three winners. So then I was up to 480. And then I clawed back these two with 4th level entries. Yeah, look, I had to take 3 4th level entries. That's the nasty thing, guys. And I don't like doing that. And some of you have only gone 3 deep and have taken heavy losses. And believe me, I really know and appreciate where you are. But hold your nerve and we'll get it back. It's when people panic and start going too deep that you end up making silly mistakes and losing. No, but we do have one that does it for us. It is the PDQ. Just let me check the website. And it's one that was specifically designed for us. I don't use it purely because with me, I've got obviously Zoom, I've got my charts, I've got a whole pile of things that you don't need running in my computer, and it just slows. My hard drive is actually my weakness. It slows it down too much, and I noticed that I was getting late entries when I had everything open with the PDQ. And it wasn't the PDQ's fault, it was my computer trying to run too much. Let me see, do I have it here? I had it open on my phone. No, I'll call it up again. Just give me 2 seconds. I think it's binary PDQ or PDQ binary. 1 second. PDQ binary. Yeah. PDQbinary.com. thoroughly recommend it. And make sure it was designed by one of our members for us. And now, Alan, give him time. Now, folks, it's not going to work on every platform. It only works on ETX and a couple of others, I think. So really, you need an ETX account for it to work properly. Also, if any of you have opened a live ETX account recently, will you send me privately your email address that you've attached it to, so that I can double check that it's connected to me? There's a couple of reasons for that. Obviously, I get commission, but the other one is that if you've any problems with ETX, I have a little more pull, shall we say. I know most of them because I visit them regularly, and I can get action pretty quick. So if you've joined in the last 2 or 3 weeks ETX on a live account, just let me know, will you? Because sometimes it slips through the cracks and it's not connected to me. Yeah, it only works on Internet Explorer, that's right. And there's a very good reason for that, which off the top of my head, I can't remember. Okay, we'll leave it there, guys. We're well over time. So thank you. And apologies to those who took losses. But keep the faith, and it works out in the long run. Okay, take care, guys. Bye-bye.